Are you curious to know what is a narrative and what a narrative has to do with scientific work and academic writing? Well, maybe your supervisor requires some storytelling. This is very related to the narrative. So it is basically a story of events that can be true or fiction. What is important about that is that it is very concrete and that it provides examples, at least tangible examples, from literature or also from everyday life. So here the author provides some stories and engages with emotions to convey complex themes and topics. So you already can imagine that storytelling in academia is used to illustrate and also to ground abstract facts and evidences. So it leaves things very concrete. The power between you and your audience, if you use narratives and storytelling in your paper, is after all that it creates a connectivity, that it is engaging, and that it also shapes the understanding of your reader. Well, this is very briefly a definition and some features. If you want to know more about the narrative, then have a look at our related article from the dictionary. And I also invite you to check out the resources that we provide from MyThesis Academy for you to make your thesis journey easier. For example, our virtual campus that helps you to write your thesis step by step.